Hey friends, Faye here. Today, we're talking about ElevenLabs in the context of Adobe Firefly and modern content creation workflows. I want to be super transparent here. Depending on your account, region, and what Adobe has enabled, your Firefly interface may look slightly different from mine, but the workflow I'm about to show you works either way. Because at the minimum, you can always do this. Generate your voice in ElevenLabs, export audio, and bring it into Firefly's Video Editor beta, edit and publish. Okay, that is the core pipeline. So first, I am going to start in ElevenLabs and generate a voiceover. I'm keeping it short, an intro line, and a couple of sentences, like something you would narrate over a quick social video or product demo. I generate it, I listen for pacing, and I do one small adjustment if needed. Then I export the audio, so ideally WAV for quality, and now we move into Firefly. Inside Firefly's Video Editor beta, even if you don't generate speech inside Firefly, you can still use ElevenLabs audio as your voice track. So I'm going to import the audio file into my project once. Once it's in, I'm going to drag it into the timeline, and I use that voiceover as the spine of my edit. This is the biggest unlock for non-editors. So instead of building a video from visuals first and struggling to match the story later, you build a story with audio first, and then you layer visuals on top. Now, we build a video around the narration, add B-roll and clips, add text overlay and key points, cut visuals to match the pacing of the audio, and then finally, keep it tight. A quick tip here, if your voiceover is 45 seconds, don't turn into a 3-minute video just because you can. Match the format. Short voiceovers make great shorts, reels, TikToks, and quick product updates. Now, where Firefly becomes powerful is when you want to generate supporting assets quickly. For example, generate a background image if you don't have one, generate a short video snippet for a scene, generate sound effects or a soundtrack to support the mood. You can do all of that while keeping your ElevenLabs narration consistent. And this is where the integration conversation matters. Even if these tools aren't deeply connected in a single button, the workflow is already there in practice. ElevenLabs will give you a clean human-sounding voice. Firefly gives you that modern timeline and generation tools to assemble the visual story. So if you're a creator, here's a simple, repeatable process. 1, write a short script. 2, generate voice in ElevenLabs. 3, import into Firefly Video Editor. 4, build visuals around the voice. And finally, 5, export and publish. If you're a business, this becomes quick product demos, onboarding snippets, internal updates, marketing explainers. And if you're someone who doesn't love being on camera, this workflow lets you create a lot of video content without your face being the primary asset. Your idea becomes the asset. So next up, I'm going to break down pricing and whether ElevenLabs is worth it. Because once you see how this fits into your workflow, the real question becomes, what plan do you actually need? I'm going to see you in the next one. Thank you so much for joining me.